Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Central Victoria, Australia. This video is super late. This was actually 2 cards that I created for my Tracy Sunday challenge on the 7th of December. And yeah, it's a little almost close to Christmas now, so we're a little bit late in getting this out, so I do apologise, but these cards would work for anything because it's a sketch challenge. I just created 2 Christmas cards, but you might not already be finished with your Christmas cards either. Anyway, I popped this sketch at the beginning of this video so you can see what the sketch is. I'm using the take a bow. Oh my goodness, I always struggle with this one. Take a bow 6x6, which is actually retired. It was last year's paper. And I'm also using the Christmas Tags and More DSP, which is part of the mini catalogue right now and available. Okay, so starting off with this first card, I've created 2 card bases from one piece of A4 basic white thick cardstock, and I've just actually grabbed a few colours that coordinate with these DSPs. So the Take a Bow actually had strips in it already and also a die cut circle, so I thought this works perfectly with this sketch, and I didn't even look at my DSPs before creating the sketch, so that's so funny. But anyway, I'm also using a bit of garden green cardstock here, and it looks a little plain on the basic white background card base. So once I layer up my 4 strips of DSP here, I think, yeah, it needs something else. So I'm going to come back in with the Christmas Words Hybrid Embossing folder. Now, this is one of those fun ones that's an embossing folder. Also, you can buy it with the die set. So you can emboss and die cut all in one, and it has all your Christmas sentiments perfect. So you've got joy, peace, happy Christmas, Noel, dear Santa, holly jolly, let it snow, merry and bright, hope, merry Christmas, season's greetings, so many different ones, which is fantastic. I'm also using this ephemera pack, which is in the catalogue as well, and there's some really great gold foil ephemera sentiments, so I thought that would really go so well together. So I went with the merry and bright. It's part of a circle, and because we have a circle in that sketch, I went with that. So I really love how that came out with the embossing, and you can really see that embossed words in real life. Probably doesn't show up too well, but if you wanted to make it really show up, you could run a sander over it, or you could run a little bit of ink with a blending brush as well. That would look so good. So I'm just taking 4 random strips that were already cut. I think I had to cut 1 of those strips, but they're all different lengths and sizes, so we're just cutting off the edges. So once we pop this down, and I'm not popping it up, I'm just straight sitting it down. I've also grabbed the, what die set is that? I have it right here, let me have a look. Christmas greenery dies, and I've just die cut from the gold foil, one of those Christmas leaves. That's what we're going to call it. Sticking that over the top of the die cut circle, and then I'm also using real red, bringing real red in and die cutting, punching that out, just to make that ephemera sentiment really pop up. So it looks great like this. We're also going to come in with some embellishments. These are those sparkling sequins that are in the mini catalogue. I think they're in the Traditions of Christmas suite. Absolutely amazing suite. So that is our first card using that sketch. And then we're going to bring in that second one. So the second piece of the A4 basic white thick cardstock. Now this DSP is absolutely amazing because it has die cuts as well as just your Christmas or printed paper. And I've actually taken a couple of the die cuts out from this die cut set, and really use those. So you'll see in the sketch there is a circle as part of the sketch. What I really love about sketches is you can take it and make it your own. So instead of a circle, I'm actually going with one of our little rectangles here, which I think is super cute. I've taken that die cut and I've layered a piece of real red cardstock behind it, just to make it really pop off that page. I've also grabbed a couple of these little banners that a real red as well, and we're going to stick them in underneath. Now one banner I've actually just cut in half, and it's enough to have it sticking out like as though we've got those diagonal stripes, and I really love how that turned out. Also brought in another die cut, thinking that maybe I'll use that, but I didn't end up using it, and that is, you know, that turned out so pretty. The other thing I did bring in is that ephemera pack, and I went with the From Our Home to Yours, and we're just going to add that to the card base as well. So if you're new to my videos, I do a Tracy Sunday challenge every week, and you are more than welcome to join in. All you need to do is create your card, take a photo of it, and then head over to my business Facebook page and pop it in the comments section. And the more people join in, the more fun it is, because we get to see how everyone else creates, and it's so inspiring. It's so much fun, and I really love the little group that we have taking part. So if you would like to join in, please do it. It's always nice to have that little inspiration each week of something to create, so I would love to see you join in as well. Now, all the products that I've used on today's card, you can find them in my online store, and there is a link in the description of this video as well as on the screen here to see that store. I live in Australia, so unfortunately it's only Australians that can purchase from me, unless you're in a country that does not have Stampin' Up in it. You can actually purchase from me as well, so all fun. Okay, and then I've also popped a couple of those dots on from the mini catalogue. I think it's the North Pole Delivery Suite section that you can find that in. So I really hope that you've enjoyed today's 2 cards, quick, easy, fun Christmas cards. I'll be back with another video for you really soon. I'll also have a new challenge up on Sunday, so come and join in for that. And I do apologise that this is a little bit late, but you know, it's a video, so it's always fun to put out a video, and you know, you'll have something to watch from me. Alright everyone, enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you all really soon. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video if you would like, and yeah, I'll see you all soon. Bye!